This is your Truma water heater panel. This is the monitor panel that you need to use when you heat your water on gas. There is no switch required to heat your water on mains. As soon as you plug into mains, your water will automatically heat. This might not be desired if you have your motorhome constantly plugged in for storage. So in this case, you would turn the water heater off. The easiest way to do this is to use the isolation switch on the right side of your panel. Hot water cylinder, and then you would turn it off. Now you would need to remember before you go on to your holidays, yet you would turn the water heater back on again. However, if you do not connect your motorhome to mains, then you would need to heat your water on gas. To do this, you have to make sure that your gas bottle is open and full, and that your venting cover, your travel cover outside, that is basically covering your gas vent or your heating vent, to protect it from like spiders and from dirty roads. You have to make sure you remove that travel cover. You do not have to constantly use the travel cover. You can decide when to use it, but however, it can't be. The water heater on gas cannot be used when the travel cover is blocking the vent. This is how the travel cover looks. Make sure it is removed. In case you've forgotten to remove the travel cover and you are heating your water heater on gas, then you will see a red light appearing, which is the indicator that your heater is basically overheating. So you would need to turn it off and let it cool down and restart. This is to be avoided. Now, to heat your water on gas, you've got two settings. You've got 60 degrees and 70 degrees. Very easy to be switched on. 60 degrees, 70 degrees. Now you turned your water heating system onto the gas function. You have to make sure when you are connected to mains, like you're going to a commercial campsite and you plug yourself into power, that your gas monitor is on 0, on the middle position. Otherwise, you will override your gas function, and you will still use you override your electricity function, and you will still use your heater on gas. So you'll basically be using your gas when it's not necessary because you're connected to mains. So always make sure when you're connected to mains that your black panel here is on 0 middle position. If you do see a red light appearing, it's usually down here in this position. That means that either your gas bottle is empty or not open, or that your travel cover is on and blocking the venting. So this is really all about the Truma water heater. The heater sits usually in most floor plans under the lounge seat, easy to access, but there is no resetting needed for any faults when you haven't got the gas connected or your travel cover is blocking your gas vent. It will reset itself by itself, so there is no need to go down to the water heater and access the unit for resetting. And that's it. Nice and easy.